Alright, quick mid-morning update. I've decided to get out of this Aussie versus the Swiss. It's not really moving much. So I got out of that for a sort of break even. Why is the oh, must have been a big spread on it. Anyway, I'm out of that one. Gold. Right, the yen is dropping. I've just moved my stop up on this one. So I'm not losing money today, everybody. Always good news. Might speak to you later. Good afternoon, everyone. Here we are. Just a quick update back on the yen versus gold. I've moved my stop up now, so I'm going to make some money on this one. That's nice, isn't it? Try not to be too aggressive because we've got that PPI coming up in an hour, and it could whipsaw about. You never know what's going to happen. Unfortunately, I do believe I'm going to be on a call at that time, so there we go. I've got my stop, and here's hoping that gold shoots off. All right, speak later. Let's have a quick look round. Not got long this evening because I've been chatting all day. Economic data, GDP. What does it mean? Does it mean anything? Who knows? But what we do know is month on month, UK growing a little bit more than expected, but still treading water really. What else we got? Load of stuff that I don't care about here. Blah blah blah. We had our PPI. Sorry, CPI was yesterday. PPI in the States coming in a bit cooler, and month on month. Look at that coming in. I don't know why I clicked that. Shrinking. So that is good news for equities in the States. Let's have a look and see what's been happening in equities. Oh, they've been coming down there. Look at this. Dow Jones, not buying it. I've not really looked at these because I've been at work all day. S&P did pop on the news, but now cooling back off, heading into the weekend. Russell 2000 again popped, now cooling off, heading into the weekend. Nasdaq's actually keeping hold of some of its gains from yesterday, so quite impressive there. People still trust in tech. Blah blah blah. Who cares about any of these things? Bitcoin is diving down. Let's see. Let's have a look on the daily. Oh, we could see it come back down to about 40k here. Look at this. It's not impossible. We've seen it before. So interesting times. Keep an eye on that next week. Brent cooling back off. Coinbase naturally with Bitcoin fading away. Coinbase coming down with it. Forex, the dollar. Where's that news drop? Where is it? Somewhere around here. So the dollar did come down on the news that inflation was shrinking. Euro, yen coming up. Yen yesterday looked so fragile, and look at this. The yen index bouncing. Pound, Aussie, not really doing much. Swiss recovering this afternoon. Where are we? Yeah, look at that. It gapped down on that news of shrinking inflation. Let's have a look here. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, so this morning, what was it? Aussie Swiss. I was long Aussie Swiss this morning. Long just here, look, roughly. Oh, it tells you the level. 57,129 I got long, and I got out at 57,149. Just about break even. Might have lost a tiny bit to fees. Up above this blue line. Thought it was going to break, but by this time, by mid-morning, I wasn't so convinced, so I got out of it. Usually, I like to let stuff run to the stop, but not in this occasion. Gold, rocket ship today. Everyone's loving gold. It's coming back off here. Look, my stop has been triggered now. So I got out of gold at whatever that means. Who knows? I was in down here, look, and I got out over here. I was intending to close it this evening anyway. Don't like holding over the weekend. Don't mind a few swing trades during the week, Oh, look at that. There's an extra arrow that appears when I hover, and it tells you, so I got in there, and I got out there. And then I got in there, and then I got out there. Big spread on this, though. Actually, I don't know whether that's a big spread. 105. Let's use the measuring thingy. 105. 10. Oh, that's 108. 0.04. That's the spread. Oh, I suppose it's not that bad. I don't really know. Who gives a toss? If it's going up, it's going up. Buy it. Pound. Oh, it has shot up. I strongly considered buying a couple of gold coins before I headed out this morning. That's how it goes. Oh well. Oh, just on a note. Pound versus gold. I do still expect it to touch this line. I don't know when I drew the line. I don't know why I drew the line. But look at that. We've got quite a few touches on this line. Remember, rule number 1, obey the line. So I do expect it to come down again at some point and touch the line. So basically, I'm a buyer under 1580 for the time being. Everyone else getting absolutely... Look at the dollar versus silver. Silver up 2.2. It's been up a lot more today. I'm sure this morning when I was looking at it, not this morning, this afternoon. Yeah, here we go. It was up over 3%, I think, at one point. So a good day for silver. But silver's still super undervalued. The gold-silver ratio is crazy. It's like historically high, I think. That's the thought that's in my head anyway. Right, so yeah, gold doing really well today. Currencies, mostly flattish. Look, we've not got many big movers here. Mostly flattish. And then indices, still sort of making their minds up in the States here. Look, it's been a reasonably good day in Europe. I don't want to say a strong day. But, yeah, what's this? Is this today? Oh, that's yesterday. Yeah, in the UK, coming up today. Spain. Where does today start? I've not moved my little blue lines yet. They're still on yesterday. France. Oh, France is coming up nicely, look. What's France looking like on the day? I don't want to spend... You know what? I'm going to leave it here because I'm going to do like a review at the weekend, to look through everything. Maybe draw some more lines on. Oh, how I love to draw lines. Don't you lot love to draw lines? I bloody love it. Right, so anyway, that was my trade today. Making some money for a change. You see, I made the same trade yesterday. Making a bit of money as well. Long on gold versus the yen. Although the yen has been strong today, I would have been much better going long on like gold versus the pound, or well, actually pretty much anything else would have been a better choice than what I went for. But hey ho, still made some money. So have a good weekend, everyone, and see you on Monday.